So, the idea is that even though you say seeing is believing, it's believing is seeing. The beliefs determine what you are capable of perceiving. If you are not of a certain frequency, not of a certain vibration, it is physically not possible for you to even conceive of ideas that are in a different frequency. So, you have to be of the frequency first in order to even have a particular concept or inspiration that can help you move forward in the way that you have laid out for yourself. That's why it's so important to get in touch with your beliefs, to get in touch and examine and scrutinize that blueprint to make sure, this is the challenge in your life, to make sure that it is in alignment with who you prefer to be, how you prefer to experience your reality, how you prefer to discover who and what you really are, and how you wish to serve humanity by actions that are reflective of the gifts you have to share, because there is always going to be someone waiting to receive what it is you truly need to share in life. Always. There is always an audience for what you have to give. Otherwise, you wouldn't be excited about giving it. That would be pointless. So the idea is, don't hold back from being yourself.